Nigerian social media critic Martins Vincent Otse, also known as VDM, VDM, has responded to reports that the Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, PFN, is calling for peace between him and gospel singer Mercy Chinwo. The conflict between VDM and Mercy Chinwo began when VDM spoke about her legal case with her former manager, Ezekiel Onyedikachuku, popularly known as EZT. His involvement led to online criticism of Mercy Chinwo. In response, Chinwo's legal team denied the accusations and sued VDM for 1.1 billion naira in a defamation case. According to reports, PFN urged both parties to settle their differences peacefully. The Christian organization was concerned that the public feud could damage the reputation of the gospel music industry and its leaders. They encouraged both VDM and Mercy Chinwo to approach the issue with humility and a spirit of reconciliation. In a video, VDM made it clear that it does not want reconciliation and wants the court's case to continue. He stated that the legal process would review oppressors and the judiciary. It's worth noting that while VDM is currently in China, a Nigerian court issued an arrest warrant against him. His stance has sparked mixed reactions online, with some urging him to fight in court and others advising him to be cautious.
Now the PFN, I want to pull out Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, people are putting your mouth. No, it's too late. It's too late. The gospel is already being rubbished so far because you people kept quiet so long. Una for don't settle this matter between EZT and Mercy Chinwo. But of course, she's you people's star girl. VeryDarkman don't come into the equation now where be neutral person. It don't the cast. Everybody don't eye don't the open. Say, oh my, bless this gospel artist no be so. It bless some of these pastors no be so. And when I feel say, okay, yes, now when I won't call out. No, we will do the legal battles.
As this case unfolds, many are watching to see how it affects both VDM and Mercy Chinwo's reputation. Will they reconcile, or will the court process continue as VDM insists? As this question lingers, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.